Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, we're going to be continuing with a challenge 4 in Introduction to Regular Expressions. So this challenge is about ignore case while matching. So ignore case while matching. Up until now, we have looked at regexes to do literal matching of strings. Okay, yep. But sometimes you might want to also match different cases. I mean, match case differences. Hang on. But sometimes you might want to also match case differences. Case or sometimes a letter case is a difference between uppercase letters and lowercase letters. Examples of uppercase is uppercase A, uppercase B, and uppercase C. Example of lowercase is lowercase a, b, and c. Right? You can match both cases using what's called a flag. Right? There are other flags, but here you'll focus on the flag that ignores case, the I flag. You can use it by appending it to the regex. Alright. An example of using this flag is ignore case and I. This regex can match the strings ignore case all in lowercase, ignore case in I would say camel case, and no, this can't be a camel case. I'll probably call this one a random case. Alright, and this one a camel case. Alright, so now it says that write our regex FCC regex, which is this one, to match free code camp. No matter its case, your regex should not match any abbreviations or variations with spaces. Right. Okay, so let's alter this to free code camp and then put an I after the forward slash. So it should come to true, but I'll just explain the code if the test passes, and it should pass. Yes, alright, cool. So basically what it's doing is that it's declaring and initializing my string to free code cam. So this is at the moment a camel case. So the FCC regex is putting the word that has to be found in just a simple format of free code camp, okay, which is this one, and I is to ignore all these uppercase and lower cases. So if I do free code camp, this should still return true. Yeah, cool, understood. So I'll leave. Yeah, I'll probably just give it free code camp. All right, and at the end, it's it's finding the free code camp the word in that string using the test method of the that's contained in the regex. All right, let's continue with the next challenge. Uh, Alright, so this is about extract matches. So far, you've only been checking if a pattern exists or not with a string. Yep. You can also extract the actual matches you found with the dot match method. Alright, so we can also extract those matches, right? With this with this method. To use the match method, apply the method on a string, okay, and pass in the regex inside the parentheses. Here's an example: hello world, and then dot match. That's a simple string, and matching this one there. It needs to find and extract hello from the string, and it will result it will return hello. So this is another string, okay, it's called regular expressions. So it's finding express is is setting our regex to their expressions, and then it's calling the match method on our string, and then passing it our regex. So it will extract this value here from this string, okay, like in this example, right? So now it says apply the dot match method to extract the word coding. All right, so this is the extract string. So what I need to do is extract the string coding from this string, okay. So the coding regex is here, and then I would probably duh, 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 do coding, and then extract. Oops, my bad. They should be fine. Extract string, and then match, and then pass in the coding regex. Okay, so now let's see if our test passed. Yay, there's no spoon. Oh, but I'm hungry for more successful challenges. Let's go into the next challenge. Alright, so regular expressions find more than the first match. So far, you've only been able to extract or search a pattern once. Okay, yep. So, for example, this is a test string, and is set to repeat 3 times, and the regex is set to repeat. Yep, it's finding that one, and then it matches our regex, and then returns the actual founded string. To search or extract a pattern more than once, you can use the I flag. Okay, so now to recap, to ignore the case, as in uppercase, lowercase, we use the I flag. However, to search or extract a pattern more than once, we use the G flag. Right. So it says regex to repeat, and then this flag, which is more than once. Okay, and then it's calling repeat match on test string, and it's passing a repeat regex, which is this one, and then this one repeats, repeat. Okay, so more than once. extract a pattern more than once. Alright, so using the regex star regex, this variable here, find and extract both twinkle words both twinkle words from a string twinkle star. So we need to find this twinkle and this twinkle from this string. You can have multiple flags on your regex like GI, which is okay, cool. So I would do twinkle and then how was it again? Yep. So G flag, I need to repeat that, and I flag. Ignore the case as well. Alright, let's see if this changes line as well. Okay, so we need to match star regex to this. Cool. So this should give our desired results. Let's have a look. Yes, it does. So what exactly I've done here? I'm I'm finding this word twinkle but ignoring the case. That's why I've got I here for. And because the task, I mean the challenge is to find and describe two words, the twinkle twinkle twinkle, then I'm giving that flag G to repeat the extraction. So if it was say twinkle, another twinkle, then it would be like this would have three three twinkles. You wanna have a look? Let's have a look. You can match results. Okay, because there's set the challenge in a certain pattern that we can always go with their format and with their test cases. So I'll just remove the twinkle from here. Alright, so that that should pass anyway. And then I'm searching and finding the regex in this string by using the method called match and passing it a star regex. Right, cool. Let's move on to the next one. Right, match anything with a wildcard period. Sometimes you won't or don't need to know the exact characters in your pattern. Thinking of all words that match, say misspelling would take a long time. Luckily, you can save time using the wild character dot. The, the, the wild character dot will match any one character. The wildcard is also called dot and period. Right, okay. You can use the wildcard character just like any other character in regex. For example, if you want to if you wanted to match hug, huh, hot, and hum, you can use the regex hu dot r to match all the four words. Right. So it's essentially dot says anything can come in. So, but the first in this example, the first two letters have to be HU, and then dot says it can be anything A, HUA, HUB, HUC, HUD, HUF, E, yeah, HUE, whatever. All right. So now, what does it say? Oh, okay, so it's giving off an example here as well. So home string is equal to Alham song, hug string, bay hug, and hug hue regex is that one. So the hum matches returns hum string with each here because it's got hum in it, and then hug string returns this regex which is got hug in it. Okay, cool, interesting. So complete the regex on uh, complete the regex on regex so that it matches the string run, sun, fun, pun, none, and bun. Your regex should use a wildcard character. Okay, so now we're gonna change this line. Fun. So on is the same for all, and the wildcard can come in the front. So basically what I've done is that because I've got the last two letters are known, so I would specify them here, but I don't know what the first letter can be. So it can be R, S, F, P, N, B, A, C, F, T, W, anything. So for anything, I've specified a period, and then for known letters, obviously, I've specified the letters. Alright, so let's test if we pass this challenge. Yes, we have got this. Oh yeah, we're on fire, guys. Let's rock and roll to the next challenge. So it says match single character with multiple possibilities. So it says you learned how to match literal patterns, as in this case ones, and the wildcard character, which is a dot or period. Mm, Those are extremes of regular expressions, where one finds exact matches and the other matches everything. Okay, so the two opposite exact match and anything matches. These there are options that are balanced. There are a balance between the two extremes. You can search for all literal patterns with some flexibility with character classes. Alright, so you can search for all literal patterns with some flexibility with the character classes. Character classes allow you to define a group of characters you wish to match by placing them inside square brackets. Right. Hmm. Interesting. So this is about single character with multiple possibilities. Alright. So if, for example, if you want to match bag, big, and bug, but not bog, you can create the regex BIAU to do this. The AIU is a character class that will only match the characters A, I, or U. Alright, so in short, what this is saying that if I want to match multiple possibilities in the middle or wherever in the string. So for example, I've got bag, big, bug. So I wanna make sure that I've got either A, I, or U in a string. Then I would use the square brackets to match it. Okay, so A, I, U, wherever the middle letters is, I wanna match. I need to put I need to put all those letters in the square brackets. in the regex. The Okay, the only match. Okay, cool. So in this one, it says big bag bug bug. Okay, so big bag bug bug string. Yep, it signs that, and then this is a regex, which is B is there and G is there, but in the middle it can be A I U. So in this case, this is gonna return false. All right, or no. All right, because it doesn't match. Cool. So see, this is saying that it matched big string with the regex, and it found big. It found similarly with backstring, bug, and bug. All right. So now the exercise is that you choose a character class with vowels A, E, I, O, U in your regex, vowel regex, to find all the vowels in the string quote sample. Alright, so we need to find everything that's in A, E, I, O, U. Cool, so we're gonna do right. So it also said um so uh, replace the change with A E I O U. Okay, and then because that has to be repeated, we we have to include the global flag, and it's also we also have to match both upper and lowercase vowels as well, so we need to find a intransitive flag. All right, and then we need to call the method match on quote sample and pass in vowel regex. Alright, that should do the oops, my bad. What did I do there? Oops. What am I doing? I'm getting too excited, isn't it? Alright. Calm down, Zane. Calm down. Don't be rushed. Don't be in a rush. Here we go. Perfect. Alright, let's see if this passes. Yay! He. Pass with the flying colors. Let's go to the next challenge. Right, so in regular expression, match letters of the alphabet. Alright, match letters of the alphabet. You saw how you can use character sets to specify a group of characters to match, but that's a lot of typing when you need to match a large range of characters. Yeah, it is. So, for example, every letter, where was I? Uh, okay, up here. So, for example, every letter in alphabet, that's a total of I think 25 letters. I may be wrong. Anyway, fortunately, there's a built-in feature that makes this short and simple. Inside the character set, you can define a range of characters to match using hyphen character. Okay, inside the character set, you can define the range of characters to match using the hyphen character. For example, to match lowercase letters A through to E, you would use hyphen. Alright, so this is for a range of letters in the alphabet. Alright, cool. Yep, that makes sense. So it's choosing A to E, and this all will become true, except except the last one. So essentially, what it's saying is that match A and T in every word. However, the first letter can be any from A to E. Alright? So now it says match all the letters in the string quote symbol, quote sample. Be sure to match upper and lowercase letters. Right, so quote symbol. So this one will be hang on. I need to read this again. Match all the letters in the string quote samples. All the letters. So I would say, how did it define again? A square brackets A to Z. Alright, and be sure and ignore case. Global as well. Alright, let's see if this passes. Quote sample this one and then match it with that one, and pass alphabet regex to match function. Alright, let's see what do we have now. Ho ho ho, I failed this again. Let's see where we went wrong. So I've done everything. Should use a global flag, should use a case sensitive, should regex alphabet, regex should match 35 items. I think I wasn't supposed to put a space in between. Yes, that was a problem, and because JavaScript is case sensitive. Alright, so let's continue with the next one. Match numbers and letters of the alphabet. Alright, cool. So numbers and letters now. Nice. I mean, no, we were doing letters, but numbers now as well. Using the hyphen to match a range of characters is not limited to letters. It also works to match a range of numbers. For example, 0 to 5 in square brackets, same format, yep, including the 0 and 5 inclusive. So this will match anything from 0 to 5 and inclusively, which means that it will include 0 and 5 as well. Also, it's possible to combine a range of letters and numbers in a single character set. So it's possible to combine a range of letters and numbers in a character set. Okay. For example, it says given okay, so it means that letters and numbers can be together in one as a string. Cool. And now it says A to Z can be anything as 0 to 9, ignore case and G. Right, interesting. So matches all letters and numbers in Jenny string. Cool. So now it tells us to create a single regex that matches a range of letters between H and S. So square brackets first between H and S. So H and S, and then and a range of numbers between 2 to 6. Oops, my bad. What did I do there? 226. Alright, remember to include the appropriate flags in the regex. Yeah, how can we forget that? G and I. So now we need to take the sample string, call method match on it, and pass it the regex, and that would give us our desired output. Yay, off the chart. Yes, we are. Bring it on. The next challenge. Right, so match single characters not specified. Right, interesting. So far, you have created a set of characters that you want to match. But you could also create a set of characters that you do not want to match. Alright? These types of characters sets are called negated character sets. Alright, so the characters that you don't want to match, they are called negated character sets. To create a negated character set, you place a character. Ah, right, interesting. I didn't know that. After the opening bracket and before the character you do not want to match. Okay, for example, this one. Alright, cool. So this matches all characters that are not a vowel. So all characters which are not a vowel. Alright. Note that characters like period, exclamation mark, square brackets, at, and bar slash, I mean forward slash, and the white spaces are matched. The negated vowel characters that only excludes the vowel characters. Right, okay, cool. So now it tells us to create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number or a vowel. Right. So it says that create a single regex that matches all characters that are not a number. So not, yeah. So that's for the negated one on negated symbol not, and then it says a number, which is we can say 0 to 9, and then or a vowel, so we can change this to A E I O U. A E I O U. Cool, and don't forget to put the square brackets, that's really important. Alright, and our flags on global and insensitive. Alright, let's check if we pass the test. Oops, so what did I do wrong here? 0 to 9, yep, A, E, I, O, U, yes. Was I supposed to put the square brackets in? I'm pretty sure I was, unless I'm wrong. No, I am right, we were supposed to put it there. Where did I go wrong? Sorry guys, I forgot to change this line to call the match method. Okay, so I'm gonna be calling the match method on this string. So match, and then taking my regex and passing my regex in the method, and then it should pass now. Alright, let's check it now. Yay, off the hook. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, bring it on. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope that you really found this video enjoyable and learned a lot from it. If you have any comments or anyhow I can improve my videos, please do let me know. I will promise you that improvements will be there straight away. And yeah, until next time, have fun coding, guys, and I'll see you guys later.